Temptation Eyes, the Grassroots. Let's get started. Hey, Aaron Smith. Good song here. Temptation Eyes by the Grassroots. It ain't too bad, but you gotta really, it ain't too hard to play, you know, the chords and stuff, but the bass, you gotta keep that rhythm. So that's the tricky part about this song. And then I don't have the lead break in it. But other than that, I got the whole song. So it goes like this. Starts out. So that's the tricky thing. So here we go. It goes, I'll slow her down. E. Just gotta keep that rhythm. Whoops. I'll do it again. I messed up. Then you start singing with this bass, with that thumping. So you'll be going She got something that moves my soul, and she knows I love to love her, but she lets me down every time. Can make her mine. There's no one other tonight with me. She'll be so inviting. Wanna offer myself. I'll play it again. So it's she got something that moves my soul, and she knows I love to love her, but she lets me down every time. Can't make her mine. There's no one lover tonight with me. She'll be so inviting. I wanna offer myself. Before the chorus. One more time. She got something that moves my soul, and she knows I love to love her, but she lets me down every time. Can't make her mine. There's no one lover tonight with me. She'll be so inviting. Wanna offer myself. Then you hold on the A with your bass. So here's the chorus. Temptation eyes looking through my soul. Temptation eyes, you got to love me. You got to love me tonight. Back to that. Love me, baby. So I'll take it from the chorus again. So you're here. You hold out with your bass on the A. Then you go to the B. So you'll say it goes temptation eyes looking through my soul. Temptation eyes, you got to love me. And then it goes to B minor. Love me. See, I'm doing this one. You got to love me tonight. Once you get the feel of the song, it ain't too bad. I'll do the chorus again. Temptation eyes looking through my soul. Temptation eyes, you got to love me. You got to love me tonight. Love me, baby. Sing it again. With her wild innocent, just a game. It's just the same. My head is spinning. She's got a way to keep me on her side. It's just a ride, a never ending tonight. With me, she'll be so inviting. Wanna offer myself. Back to the chorus. Oh, temptation eyes looking through my soul. Temptation eyes, you got to love me. You got to love me tonight. And then at the end you keep going. Temptation eyes looking through my soul. Temptation eyes, come on and love me. Come on and love me tonight. Temptation. Then it just fades out. Then there's a lead break in there and stuff that I don't have, the lead break. But then just fades out. So you remember, when you start singing, you're doing this. She got something that moves that soul, and she knows I love to love her. But the beginning goes like this. Tonight with me, she'll be so inviting. Wanna offer myself. Oh, temptation eyes looking through my soul. Temptation eyes, you got to love me. You got to love me tonight. Like that. Love me, baby. Does that a couple times. Loving talent is just a certain. So you get the picture. But that's the whole song there, except for the lead break. And then at the end, it just fades out. So there's the whole song. Now you're going to see what your next lesson is going to be. Till next time. Later.